this is how you're supposed to open it. By lifting that. It seems like I could push down here, but it says not to put your hand there because it'll get snapped.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Hold this.
Oh, be careful.
There you go.
Okay, so I just purchased 2 of these chairs. One was built correctly. Notice both of these, flat end, flat end. One was built incorrectly. This does not shut evenly. This side's lopsided because that's right, and this part is over here on the wrong end. So that's why I'm returning. Item defected. Just showing you guys they were comfortable, but just not built properly, and I could see something else going wrong in the near future because of that.
Here, July 11th, and we've used it twice, and it broke.